Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, we have seen up to question number 33. The next question what we have here is we need to talk about, explain about membership operators in Python. We are going to talk about membership operators. Sir, what are the membership operators which are available? There are two membership operators are there. Okay. Name itself is giving very clear meaning, right? Membership means what? Is an object is a member of another object or not? We can check by using these membership operators. We have two membership operators are there. One is nothing but in, another one is nothing but what? Not in. Sir, what in operator is going to do? It returns true if an object is existed inside another object, else it is going to return false. What about not in? Not in, it is going to return true if an object is not existed inside another object. Else it is going to return false. So opposite for the in is nothing but what? Not in. How you can able to do this? Let me take one or two examples to get more clarity. See, I am taking a string where I am going to take the content like Prakash. I want to check a small character is there in this string or not. For that, which operator we have to use? In operator. So I'm asking, is the character A or string A, is it available in the string object? Yes, it is available, right? It is going to return true. Sir, let us check what output we are going to get. I'm running the program. You can see the output is nothing but what? True. Like this we have. Sir, can you please check, is the character B is there in yes? The character B is not there, right? Hence, it is going to return false. Similar to this, we have not in opposite operator. Not in operator is also there. Sir, I want to check. Okay, so is the character R is not there in the string? Yes. Have you observed the statement you have to read? The character R is not there in the string. Yes, it is there or not? Yes, it is there. Okay, better to take another character like Q. Is the Q character is there in this string? No, right? Then what output it is going to return? The statement itself is true. Okay, now I'm going to check. Okay, so R, the character R is not there in the string, but it is there, right? So immediately output will become false. Like that we have. Okay, sir, it is not only applicable for characters. Even if you have any substrings, you can apply. Even we can apply this even for list object, tuple object, set object, for anything we can apply. So these two operators like in and not in are called as what? Membership operators, which are available in the Python. I hope you understood very clearly what is the meaning of these membership operators, how we are going to use, right? Thank you, friends.